guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Home Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make salon style manicure at home using Beauty and Home Life product. Easy steps to achieve salon quality manicure without second set of hands. I'm using our own product Beauty and Home Life manicure kit. Let's see what are the things we have inside the manicure kit: cleanser, moisturizer, bag and hand cream. Using this cleanser, cleanse your hands properly. Beauty and Home Life is our own product. Recently started our online business and the manicure kit is newly launched product. If you like to purchase any product from Beauty and Home Life, DM on the contact is given below. So if you wanna save some money and get those salon style nails, then keep watching till end. Also do like, share and subscribe. The first of all, start off by removing the existing nail paint. Cleanse and moisturize your hands. Use the moisturizer from the kit and gently massage it. Moisturizing as it is a very important, keep your nails healthy and hydrated. For the third step, I am using the face roller and relaxing. If you have any manicure tool, very well you can use it. This step is very important. You can use your fingertips to massage. For the next step, I have a warm water and using a cleanser, a few drops of tea tree oil, and now go ahead and dip your hands in your warm water mixed with cleanser and oil. Soak your nails in the liquid for a few minutes, take it out and pat dry. Trim the nails, get rid of excess length using your nail clipper. Just trim your nails to the desired length. Once that's done, shape your nails with a nail filler. We have a powder form. Scrubber comes with pack. Mix the powder with aloe vera gel or rose water or curd. Massage the fingers, nails, hands gently. Give a gentle massage in between the fingers. Then wait for 5 minutes, wash it off, pat dry. The last step is hand cream. Using a hand cream, I'm just putting a dots. Massage thoroughly. The last step is totally optional. I'm not a nail paint person, just want to end up with French manicure. I will remove it later. Guys, if you want, you can skip it. Guys, you also can purchase nail cone through same. So I'm just applying a transparent color first, Then on the top of a nail, I'm just using a white color paint. Again a transparent paint evenly all over my nails. Wearing a top coat will prevent nails from chipping and drying. And yes, that is a final look. The natural homemade beauty products you can purchase through online. It also can be customized according to your skin. Do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you.